I set an AI agent loose on 5,838 job listings before bed. By morning, it found 847 that matched me. I did not touch a keyboard. I configured the agent on LLMHire. Stack, React, TypeScript, Python. Salary floor $180K. Remote first only. Then I went to sleep. By 7 a.m., it had processed all 5,838 active AI job listings and surfaced 847 that matched. Ranked by match quality. Sorted by salary. Ready to review. Traditional job boards make you do the filtering. You scroll. You copy-paste. You apply to 50 roles and hear back from 3. The signal-to-noise ratio is broken. LLMHire is built for the agent era. The agent evaluates your profile against each role. Stack overlap, seniority match, location preference, compensation range. It scores each position. You wake up to a ranked shortlist. LinkedIn data shows AI job postings surged 74% in 2025. The jobs are real. The search process was the problem. 5,838 AI roles. Your agent is waiting at LLMHire.com. More at endofcoding.